back again to another awesome video on my channel. We are back with a blast. Today we've got a brand new video, and today's video will be about OpenLedger, but mainly about Marble X, which has basically had a massive announcement, should I say. All the links will be listed down in the description, so please do check them out. Just before we start today's video, this is not an investment advice. You are joining at your own risk, but yo, it's on my channel, so please do check it out. So OpenLedger, if you have never heard about OpenLedger, let me explain of what it is, what it does, and what it actually means for yourself. So for those who actually don't know, OpenLedger is an AI blockchain unlocking liquidity to monetize data models and agents. Also, it's a native token, which is open, and it's at the heart of its new economy. So the much anticipated token actually went live on the 8th of September and it hasn't quite launched yet. So it's made its history. It's open listed more than 23 leading global exchanges, including Binance, Upbit, Kraken, and etc., and many others. And basically, let's zoom out for a second and let me tell you about the Marble X. So the blockchain powerhouse of Koreans, $10+ billion, which you can actually check out right here. So basically $10+ million and gaming titan has just acquired Open Token. This is just another strategic move. This is the first time a publicly traded Korean giant is taking a position in digital assets, and they chose OpenLedger, and literally let it sink in. Let me actually say it is not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not stable coins. They picked Open because they have high belief on how much potential this actually has. Why? Because OpenLedger is not another blockchain, it's an AI liquidity layer, the trust engine for data provenance that rails the next $1 trillion for AI economy. With OpenLedger, the proof of distribution and modular AI stack, Marble X isn't just holding the token, they're buying a front row seat to feature of decentralized intelligence. After obviously BNB, XRP, and BTE, Open isn't just next, it is literally invaluable. Not just that, OpenLedger buyback program has continued to build momentum driven by enterprise revenue and clear focus of strengthening the network, etc. But let me tell you this today, we are on Marble right now. You can obviously check out how much it's worth. It's up and down, whatever else. You can check out 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, etc. And it basically shows you the total market cap, which already they're sitting at 28 million. So they are already making that investment into OpenLedger with a huge market cap like that. And it basically, you can check out on their website where they're listed, their official partnerships, and what it has to offer. Let me actually show you a little bit more, or should I say let me tell you a little bit more of what is going on. So basically, when the Tesla bought carbon credits ahead of regulation, and Meta loaded up on GPUs long before AI rush. So this is basically why the Korean giant skipped Bitcoin and bought Open, and explaining what they're trying to do. So in 2025, South Korea legalized crypto and balance sheets that changed everything. First, firms poured into Bitcoin, then Ethereum, but now the first bold outlier just arrived, and they are basically making the bold move of the investment into the Open token. This wasn't just a bet on momentum, this was just obviously the strategy they have got, and they've done after checking the database, after checking all the results, and already how big and what opportunities the Open token has. Think of it like what Uniswap did for liquidity, but for machine intelligence, and the token itself. Well, it's not sitting in the obscurity. Open distributed on 20+ exchanges, including Binance, which is one of the biggest platforms in the world, Kraken, and Upbit on day one. It's also hit 1.8 billion valuation. Now it's here where it gets absolutely real. The OpenLedger is buying back its own token using real enterprise revenue, and that's a rare pattern for anyone to do. You saw it in Solana ecosystem tokens got absorbed by high utility DeFi protocols, or when Avalanche launched enterprise subnets, etc., or when XRP sorted major payment infrastructure wins. But this is where we do it different. It is also backed up by Polychain Capital, Boardless Capital, Finality Capital, and hashtag K Capital, which I can actually show you right now. I'll show you two examples of how it looks. So let me show you that right now. This is obviously one of them. So this is a Polychain sitting at 71,000 followers, which are backing up this data to today's date. Also, for example, you've got the Hashkey Capital, which are sitting 40,000. As you can see, we are already verified, so it is getting real. Now, on Marble FX, you can check them out. You can check more about them, their story, etc. But already the information I've provided should be enough on why they've invested. Open is a real deal. You can check out the Open Ledger, what it's got to offer, the ecosystem, etc. As you can see, this is the real deal. So it's up to yourself if you want to invest. I do highly recommend holding it out. This is going to be here forever and they're not moving anywhere. I do highly also recommend checking out the document. It tells you everything about the ecosystem and why this is the perfect place for yourself. Make sure you smash the like button, comment down in the comment section below. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you back in the next one. Peace out.